just give it some importance there because these days teachers are putting in a lot of efforts in taking the online classes. So let's make it easy for you because you all are making so many presentations every day, and sometimes you face problem when you download any presentation, or sometimes it happens that you are able to see or able to find a presentation but not able to download it. So to make that easy, let's see how we can download presentations from slideshare.com. So let's get started and let's go to slideshare.com. Slideshare.com. Okay, so let me go from some other browsers. Okay, let me go from this only. Slideshare. Okay. Now see, SlideShare is a website wherein you can find a lot of presentations. Like for example, tomorrow I have to teach computer network. I don't have a presentation and I really don't have time to make the presentation. So what I can do, I'll go to slideshare.com and I'll write simply computer network, and let's see the result. If you see, you have seen so many videos, so many PPTs are there here. आपको जो भी PPT अच्छी लगती है, just go through the PPT. For example, this is one of the PPT. If you see here, there's a download button. This is a presentation, right? If you see, just check the PPT content and see if it relates to the topic that you have to teach, right? After relating it, it's taking time to load. Let it load and let's wait and see. You can see the slides are visible like this, right? Okay, so it's loaded now. Fine. Okay, so you can see there are different slides are there, and right. So when you click on the download button, but there is a issue that comes when you are clicking on the download button, and there most of the teachers face problem because whenever you click on the SlideShare, it will ask you to log in with a LinkedIn account. So to download presentation from SlideShare, you need a LinkedIn account. Now, how to sign up for a LinkedIn account? It's very easy, just simple as creating a Gmail account. So I'll click on sign up for an account and let me create an account because I already have an account on LinkedIn. So when I will download any presentation, for example, I want to download a presentation on social media, right? I am opening now from my Chrome browser where my LinkedIn account is already signed in, right? So see, so many good presentations you'll find out, and see such amazing graphics and all. And okay, it's opening. Right? So if I click on the download button, if you see, let's see, I click on the download button. See, there are 83 slides, right? So everything is there. It is taking time to load because there are 83 slides. So till the time, let me take you to LinkedIn. Okay, so for downloading SlideShare, you need to have a LinkedIn account. So how to join LinkedIn? You have just simply enter your email ID, right? So I'll write my email ID here, and I want to put any password. I'll put the password and agree to join, and they're asking me for my details. Okay, so I have clicked here and I have given my details as well. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so now I am on the welcome screen. If you see, you have to put in your location and let's see. Okay, you can write your post. So this is the initial thing that you have to do once. But once your account is like created, then you don't need to worry about the PPTs anymore. I write yes here. Let me select the industry. This say e-learning and continue. Right? Okay, so again it has sent the verification code to me. If you see here, it's 220890. Let's put it here, 220890. It will send a verification code on your email ID. 220890. Okay, so I'll just click on agree and confirm and continue. So I'll click on continue and I have to join in. Now I'll sign in to my LinkedIn account. And here I put my password and here I am done creating my LinkedIn account. So I am on my LinkedIn now. If you see, it will show you some your contact list which is there on this LinkedIn, and you can skip all these steps and finish. Now finally you're there. And now, okay, so now you have created your LinkedIn account, and now when you click on the download button, you'll be able to download your PPT. You just have to log in with your LinkedIn account and then click on the download button. Now see, my PPT is downloading. Well, okay, so I click on the save button. See, it is downloading. Let's wait till the time it gets downloaded. Okay, so now what will happen after you download the PPT, because PPT will be downloaded in PDF format. Now, because you have to have your PPT according to the content that you have to teach in the class. Now, what you can do is you can download the PPT, and for example, I am downloading this PPT, and you can convert, because when you download this PPT, what will happen, it will be downloaded in a PDF format. If you see, it is a PDF file. So if I save this on desktop, right, it is a PDF file. Now because I need a PowerPoint presentation and not a PDF, so there is a very simple method by which you can convert a PDF into PowerPoint presentation. How to do that? For that, you will go to, there's a website called smallpdf.com. तो आप जाएंगे smallpdf.com पे. So after you reach on the homepage of smallpdf.com, you can see many options. आप PPT को PDF में convert कर सकते हो. You can convert PDF to PPT. You can convert PDF to Excel. You can convert Excel to PDF. There's so many options that this website gives you. So I click on PDF to PPT. Now if you see, I have downloaded a networking PPT here, and if I open this, this is a PDF file and I cannot do any editing in this file, right? So now what I am going to do, I'll click on choose file and I'll go to my desktop, and the name of my file is Understanding Computer Network. I click on Open button, and this will upload my file first. It will take few minutes, few seconds to load and convert. So let's see, it's converting. Okay, so my PPT is ready now. So I'll click on the download button, and when you click on the download button, you will see a PPT will be downloaded. Right now, you see this is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Click on the save button. See, the PPT is getting downloaded. Now you open this presentation. See how simple it was and how simple it can make your work. How it can make your work easy is because you can delete something, you want to add an image, you can do that, or whatever changes you want to do, you can, because now your PDF is converted to the PowerPoint presentation, you can do whatever changes you want, right? So I hope this video is going to help you in creating your presentations in a much easier way.